Hello there, and today I'm here with a video about the Formula 409 Carpet Spot and Stain Remover. And so as you can see, this is everything that it'll clean up and more. This is the 3-ounce can. It is really light, but I've also had this one for a while. So yeah, this is how you use it. You want to spray it, clean up the area, and then vacuum and stuff. So yeah, I usually just use this for spots. um, when it comes to like, I don't know, like coffee, tea, wine, that kind of stuff. Because accidents happen, but this stuff makes it so easy. Like, I've never had a carpet cleaner that actually works so nicely. When I bought this, it was actually like this. I think they did a new cover of the can because it looks different online now, but it's super easy. It's just like a little spray, and it doesn't spray a whole lot, which is good. So yeah, I highly recommend for all your stain problems. And thank you so much for watching.